Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian, and every Friday we do our great show, Talk with Angelo, where we get to talk to people that have questions for me in regards to investing, real estate, money, banking, and we have a full queue today of people that have called in, and I'm just going to start, calling and talking to people, discussing their situation, what their goals are, what they're trying to do, whether they're trying to get pre-approved to buy a home or whatever that is. Some people are trying to invest in multi-unit housing and complexes and all kinds of things. So I want to be able to discuss with them, show them, find out what their problem is, how we can solve it, and what we can do to help them. And we do this show every single Friday. So I want you guys to tune in, and maybe your situation might be similar out there, and it might help you to solve your problem. Whether it's you need, some help with your credit to boost up your credit, you're trying to get pre-approved to buy a home, whatever the case may be. Whenever we all work together and try and solve problems and come up with solutions to help people with finance, it can help you with your life too. So that's why we do Talk with Angelo. We do this every single Friday, and it helps people to really educate them and empower them, and you get to hear other people's situations. So we got some people on the call, on the queue, and I'm just going to pull them up here, and then so that way we can talk with them, and find out what's going on with them and what we can do to help them. So let me pull up the call queue here on the phone and see what's going on. Just give me 1 second while we pull people up. I hope everyone's. Hey, this is Angelo Christian. How are you?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, doing good. No, I told you I was going to get back in touch with you now, and wanted to touch base with you and find out, what's going on and how we could help with everything.
Well, actually, I live in Tennessee, and I just happened to come across one of your um, videos.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for following us. We work really hard to produce great content to educate people. How can we help you? What are your goals here?
Well, me and my husband would like to at some point purchase a home.
Right.
Um, we did go through a rough patch and ended up filing for bankruptcy.
Mm-hmm.
And I was kind of wondering how long you typically have to wait before you can get a fairly decent mortgage.
Right. That's a good question. I mean, and I don't know if you saw my video that buying a home, while in bankruptcy. I mean, technically, we can do loans for people that are in bankruptcy right now, or if they've been out of bankruptcy. What type of bankruptcy did you have?
We filed Chapter 7. It's been discharged.
Okay. Okay. And when did you discharge it?
Uh, May?
May of what year?
This year.
Okay. So you discharged in May of this year. Okay. So you're eligible to buy a home right now. You can buy a house right now. The thing that what they'd want to see from the underwriter standpoint is, probably an investment of 10 to 20% down. So technically
Uh-huh.
you can do it right now. Or we can also help you with working on boosting up your credit. And then we can do it in May of 2020. And then you'd be eligible for 0 to 3% down. So we could do it either way. We could pre-approve you now and you can buy a home, but you would need an investment of about 10 to 20%. Or if we wait, you know, 2 years and work on your credit a little bit, then you could do it with 0 to 3% down. So it's up to you. Either way, we'd be able to help you.
Okay. Yeah, 10% down on a house is a lot of money.
No, I know, but I mean, it's the
That's
thing
worth
is
it.
that the way that I look at it is that wasting money on rent's a lot of money too, and
Yeah,
you don't want to
that's
do that.
true.
You don't want to do that either. But I mean, what I can do is I can send you out all my information, and we can work on it, and then we can get something figured out. We can at least start working on your credit to kind of get the ball going, and then take it from there if that's good with you.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
that would be
I'll
fine.
send you out my information, and then we'll just take it from there and see what we can do to help you to boost up your credit, and then work on it from there to get you pre-approved.
Okay, that
All right,
sounds good.
y'all take care. Have a good weekend.
All right, you
All right,
too.
bye bye.
Bye.
All right, that was the first call. Yeah, you can buy a house while you're in bankruptcy, just out of bankruptcy, 2 years out of bankruptcy. There's a lot of things that you can do, so you don't have to just be, um, out of a bankruptcy for 7 years like a regular bank was. That's not true at all. So let's go on to the next caller and see who's next that we can talk to. See who we can help. We get thousands of calls over here, and really that's the mission with the company, is to try and figure out, how do we help people? How do we get them into a home? And, what the goals are, you know.
Hello.
Oh, hey, this is Angelo Christian. I was calling to get back in touch with you. I got your call earlier about helping you to get pre-approved to buy your home.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good today.
Uh,
How are you?
I'm doing good. What city are you guys in? What city and state?
Marysville, Ohio.
Oh, in Ohio. Yeah, I love Ohio. Cool,
Yeah.
cool. Awesome. Oh,
I love
awesome.
Texas.
Go Cleveland Cavs, huh?
No, we're Cincinnati.
Oh, okay, Cincinnati. Okay. Um,
Yeah.
well, what's going on? How can I help?
Well, I spoke with your partner,
Okay.
and he helped me. I just had a problem with getting our application to submit, but you have it now.
Okay. Now, I mean,
So,
let me ask you just a couple things so we're on the same page. What
uh-huh,
are your goals here? What are you trying to do?
buy a house.
Okay. And have you already found a house, or are you trying to buy the house that you're in?
No, we're renting.
Okay.
But we do have a house.
Okay. And
That we've
that you found?
looked at and really like, yeah.
Okay. And what's the price of the home?
I think it's 115.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have closing cost grant programs that can help to get the closing costs included and rolled into the loan and save you up to $7,000 on your closing cost.
Well, actually, the sellers agreed to pay the closing costs.
Oh, great, great. That'll be good. Then
Yeah.
what we can do then is get you up to 2 months no house payments after closing, so that way you don't have to make your first 2 house payments. You get those free. So,
Oh,
and then where do you think your credit scores are at right now?
I think he's close to 600,
Okay.
and I'm a little below him.
Okay, that's not a problem.
I really haven't had no activity in mine in a long time.
I got you.
I've been disabled.
Okay. One thing that would really help, I think, here we have something called a Fresh Start Credit Booster, where we I don't know if you saw the video where we run you through our credit simulator, and that will help to boost up your credit score. Normally, people are seeing anywhere from a 40 to 65 point increase within 30 days, and that's a free thing that we offer. You don't have to pay for it.
Okay.
So it just takes us a couple days to pre-approve you. There's no application fee. There's no deposit. You don't pay anything to apply. And so what there's, obviously there's some documentation we need to get in from you. You'd email that into us. And then,
right. Yeah, he told me that. I told him we'd work on that this weekend.
Okay. Okay. And
get
so
everything you need.
Yeah, I mean, and basically, you're looking at probably about closing in about 30 to 35 days. And really, that's really the next steps here in the program is to get you pre-approved, get your pre-approval letter, and then you can take that to put the offer in contract with the seller, and then we would process and close the loan. So we do have to order like an inspection and an appraisal that we want to inspect the home to make sure that the home meets all the requirements. Then we get an appraisal done, but that'll be the next steps in the plan. So, but it sounds like you can definitely qualify for the home loan program. So we certainly love to help you guys to get you pre-approved and into your new home.
Okay, now what is that program called that boosts your credit scores?
That's called the Fresh Start Credit Booster, and the loan is an the loan is an FHA loan.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And so what we'll do then is, what's your name, ma'am?
Sandra.
Okay, Sandra. What I'll do is as soon as I get done wrapped up here, I'll give you a call back. We'll make sure we got all your information here and then start working on your home approval.
Okay.
Yep, and then we'll get everything ready. I'd say by Wednesday.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, ma'am. And if you need anything else, just give me a call. I'll be here we're available 7 days a week for you.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, yes, appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. You have a good weekend.
You too.
All right, bye-bye, Sandra. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, sounds like a good customer that we can help on buying their house. Let's check and see who else we got here. All right. Let me see. Go ahead and give them a call. These are just people that have called in on the show. I don't know who any of these people are. That's random. They call in. No, not everyone that we're going to be able to help. Some people we will be able to right away, and at least we can help give them the information or put them in a better position. You know, that's really the main thing.
Hello.
Hey, this is Angelo Christian. I got a call earlier. I was calling to get back with you. Hello.
No, no English.
Oh, you don't speak in English? I do have a Spanish loan officer. I'll have him give you a call and get back in touch with you. That can help you to get pre. We also have Spanish and bilingual loan officers. If anyone's out there looking to get help to buy a house, yes, sir. We can have somebody call you back to speak Spanish. No problem. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for calling in. Bye bye. Let's see. On to the next caller. Let's see. What we got? Just pulling up here on the queue. Let's see. It's good that we're able to help people, whether they speak Spanish or.
806.
Oh, nope. She's not there. Let's see who else is available. Just pulling up the queue now. Hello?
Yes.
Oh, hey, this is Angelo Christian. I got a call earlier. I was calling to get back with you.
Yeah, Angelo, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. What's going on? How can I help?
Okay, my name is Jorge Gran. I'm actually in Miami.
Oh, hey, Jorge.
Chris.
Yeah, awesome.
How you doing?
You're in Miami?
Yes, sir.
Cool, man. Love Miami.
Nice place.
Yeah, it is a nice place. Yeah.
I came across your website.
Yeah.
And I actually follow you on Facebook as well.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
In reference to marketing for loan officers.
Mm-hmm.
I've been in the business for a while now, and what I'm trying to do right now is I got my wife and my son. They became realtors.
Oh, cool.
My wife recently, my son about a year ago. So I want to kind of, I've been getting business from referral partners, but I want to be able to grow
Right.
a family business and work exclusively with my family, basically.
Right.
So, we, in essence, we buy leads from Zillow.
Mm-hmm.
You know how it is. Sometimes, they work.
Right.
Sometimes they don't.
Mm-hmm.
And so I happened to see what you do. And said,
Right.
Well, let me give it a try. See what it looks like.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, you probably saw that we have a lead generation business, a mortgage lead authority. And so what we do for our lenders and our realtors is we generate exclusive leads all over the country, like we were talking about with Coach Burt, that we have leads that we deliver real time that are sent to your phone or they're sent to your CRM. And these are people that are very interested, to buy a home. The same people that are calling me to buy a house, they're gonna contact you in Miami, right? And
okay, so they're gonna be actually, Angelo, local people from South Florida, in other words.
Well, sure, because unless you have a license in other states or
that's what I was gonna say. That was gonna be my next,
yeah.
my next thing, because I'm only licensed in the state of Florida.
Right. So. Then yeah, you would just deal with leads in South Florida, but then with us as the bank, we could also send you pre-approved customers, get them pre-approved first, and then send you the pre-approved client. So we can either
exactly. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And,
yeah.
And we also, when my wife actually went to school, she got a couple of people that want to come on board and work with us. I said,
Mm-hmm.
hey, I'm not ready yet. I don't have the marketing figured out. So you gotta give me, a little bit of time when I do that.
Right.
So.
Well, that's the thing, man, that we talk to agents and lenders all the time, and that's the biggest issue that they run into is they don't have the leads. And so no, I'd love to talk to you about that. James handles all of our business development. I'll have him reach out to you to kind of set up a platform and a campaign to get you going. We have a great opportunity right now where we actually give you, $500 in free leads. And the way that our company is set up, there's no money due up front. you pay at the end of the month, so you get to go through the whole month, build your pipeline, and then we bill you at the end of the month. So it's kind of a cool thing because then you don't have to worry about paying upfront fees or being locked into a contract or any crap like that. And you have a chance to kind of build your pipeline and we take a partnership approach with you to help you to build your business. You know what I mean? So we send you all the leads, they're sent to you, you build up your pipeline, and then after that we bill you, and then we just look and see how many leads you got in, and James will go over like all the pricing. Leads are anywhere from anywhere from $20 to $50, and so we just got to take a look at how many you're going to get and how many we close. But I'd love to build that out with you. So I'll have him call you. Is this your cell phone?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and you said your name's Jorge, right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome, Jorge. Thank you so much for calling me. I'm going to have James give you a call, and we'll get this going, man.
Excellent. Thank you, Angelo.
No problem. Take care, my friend.
Appreciate it.
All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, guys, we, just to let you know, we also generate leads, thousands of leads for realtors and lenders. So if you're looking out there to buy leads, we're not just a lender to help people to buy a home. We work with a ton of realtors and lenders that generate leads all over the country. And that's the thing that's different with us. And so I love to help that guy. It's awesome. So let's see here. Next call. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole thing. We're a financial marketplace, whether you're trying to buy a house, invest in apartment complexes, buying commercial, buy leads, whatever. I mean, that's so many things that we offer that we specialize in. It's so cool what we do. So, okay, he's not there. Let's see who else we got. It's amazing, though, the things that you think about when, the millions and trillions of dollars of capital that are out there in the marketplace and the type of opportunities that are available. So, let's see here. I'm just going through and seeing who else is on the queue. Let's start pulling up the numbers right now.
Hello?
Yeah, hey, this is Angelo Christian. I was calling to get back with you.
Hey, Angelo, how you doing?
Hey, doing good. What's going on, my friend?
Listen, what can we do here? How do we move forward here?
As far as you've been approved for the loan. You're ready to go.
Approved for what loan?
The loan to buy your house, right?
Yeah, no, I'm talking about what I sent you last night.
Yeah, you're talking about your updated income documents.
The updated income document to get an approval for 350.
Right. Now the thing that so going back to what we discussed, in order to get to 350, there's a couple things that have to happen. Your pay increase is going to help you to get there, but then the other part is refinancing your car, right? That's the other piece of this that we have to do. So you've been approved for 300. I gave the approval, to the agent for 300. But to get to 350, we got to lower your debt ratio down more, right? So, did you call the lender to refinance your car?
What lender? The one that you said?
Yeah.
No, the lender that you gave me. You gave me 3 lenders.
Mm-hmm.
All of them, they talking. I think maybe one was $4, one was $12, and stuff like that. Difference.
The difference between your current payment?
Current payment, yeah, $4, $12. There was no big change.
Yeah, that's not gonna help then. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, you're good for 300 right now. I mean,
300 is impossible for me to buy a home right now. And I've looked at maybe 50 to 100 houses already.
Didn't you guys say that you saw some house the other day that was below that price that was a good deal?
Yeah, but someone actually gave I think $50,000 over that.
Oh yeah. That's the thing about your area. It's such a hot market that people are paying over the asking price, in some places just to get the deal. That's how hot the real estate market is right now. So let me ask you this. I mean, we're gonna have to brainstorm here, man, to figure out how to make it work. Is there any way that we can maybe refinance the car into your girlfriend's name?
Yeah, but she already have a car.
What about to somebody else? I mean, is there any way that there is a few different ways we can do it. So you need to get to 350, right?
That's the idea right now, because almost all the homes that we're looking at right now, this is the amount that they.
Yeah.
That's actually.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, let me do this, man. Let me work on the numbers here. I got your updated income documents. Let me see what I can do to boost you up there. We also have a first-time buyer tax credit. I'm going to apply that onto there and see if that will help you to boost up your purchase price. And then I'll let you know by tonight. So I'll run the numbers for you to see what I can do to boost it up higher to get that done.
Yeah, if we could get that done, because that other home, I didn't want someone to bid on it.
Right.
I wanted to get this thing so we could send them a bid or something, so we could actually hold it.
Gotcha. Okay, I'll get it done today, and I'll report back to you right away.
All right,
thank you guys. All right, bye-bye. All right. So you see, guys, every Friday we do talk with Angelo. People call in, they ask questions. If you have a question for me, give me a call on Friday, and I'll love to answer your question, whether you're a real estate investor, an entrepreneur, you own a bank or you own a credit union, you need training for your people. I also offer free coaching and counseling, where you can fly me out to your office and I can help train your team. Or are you trying to buy leads for your real estate office, or you're trying to grow your business, or you're trying to get pre-approved to buy a house? There's so much that you can do and so many opportunities. I'm Angelo Christian. We work very hard here to produce great content for you, to educate you, to empower you. This is our show that we do Talk with Angelo every Friday. We also have Real Estate Insider, Influencers, Learning Hub, and we work so hard to produce this content. I want you guys to follow us on our Instagram. YouTube is my favorite, and Facebook. Leave comments down below if there's anything else you want to see. We're coming out with a lot of great content and shows this summer and this fall. And, like I said, please follow us and support us. We're here to empower you and educate you, to help you guys, to put you in a better financial position. And we're happy that you guys are following us, and we're here. We have a whole new commercial investor lineup that we have coming out for investors that are trying to buy multi-unit apartments. So we're really excited to be able to bring that out to you. And like I said, please follow us and share this with all your friends and family. And guys, thank you so much for checking out Talk with Angelo. We'll be back again with another great show next week. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.